Hello everyone. Today we will going to learn the subject that is research methodology. Now the very first question is, what do you mean by research? See, research comprises of two words, that is re and search. Whenever the re and search is there, it means re means repetitive or interactive process we can say, and search means making a thorough examination or looking over carefully in order to find out something. Okay, now here the research means finding out certain new things from a particular problem. In general, research can be defined as a scientific process where new facts, ideas and theories are established and provoke in a different areas of knowledge. Okay, understood? Now we will see what are the different characteristics of a research. The very first characteristic is systematic activity. Now see, why it is known as a systematic activity? Because research follows a systematic procedure to analyze a research problem in a better way. A research cannot be conducted in a random manner, so we can say it is a systematic activity. Every time a researcher has to go step by step only when the conclusion can be find out or a certain solution can be find out. Now the next, that is logical process. Why it is a logical process? Because all the assumption and analysis undertaken are based on a certain logic. If there is no logic, then the research will be known as a illogical research, because the research is a systematic, scientific and planned investigation to understand the problem. Okay, now the third, that is interactive process. The very first is when a research is an whenever we are saying research is an interactive process, because sometimes it becomes necessary for all the researcher to review the work of earlier stages. Whenever they are actually studying the earlier research work, then we can say it is a cyclic in nature. Many times what happens, it becomes harder for the researcher to find out the starting and ending points. So every time the interactive process should be there. Then the next, that is, it is based on a empirical evidence. Empirical means what here? Empirical means it is based on the observation. Okay, researcher studies are empirical in nature. Every step in research is carried out using various scientific tools and techniques. Every step in a research is checked for the accuracy and is based on observable experiences. Therefore, we can say quantitative research is easier to validate than a qualitative research, which is more conceptual in nature. And the last characteristic, that is controlled in nature. Why there is a controlled in nature? Because many times what happens, researcher control the effect of the variables. Now how the researcher is controlling the variables? Because whenever researcher is controlling the variables by allowing only some variable to vary so that their effects can be tested. Due to this reason, controlling the variables in a scientific research is much easier than controlling the factors in the social research. So here we can say in a research it is very essential to control the variables in a careful manner. Okay, understood? Now we have seen what do you mean by research and what are the different characteristics of a research. Thank you everyone.